Alright everyone, so we've got Genius Leads Miner. This is going to go through the installation and all of that goes with it. This is not on the Chrome store. They might not like it just because it's able to get a lot of information. So I've already sent you a link, so you should, wherever you got that, you'll get this zip file here. I'm actually just going to change that to Leads Miner and re-upload it later. But what we're going to do, use whatever program you use to extract zip files. I'll put it in that folder. And now you can see that's extracted into that folder. So all you have to do to install it is click on the little extension button in Chrome, go to Manage Extensions, look for Load Unpacked, and you're going to go to Downloads, and select that folder, and now the extension is loaded. You should see this right here, Genius Leads Miner. This is the latest version, so I've got it enabled. And if you want to have it up in your task bar there all the time so you don't have to look around for it, you'll just click on that little puzzle piece there, go to Genius Leads Miner, and click on the pin. And from here, you click on it, log in with the email that you signed up for when you purchased this. So it'll be your email address and then the default password 123456 if you haven't changed it. I'm just going to put my email in there and my login there. And now we've got this installed. I'm going to do another video that has the walkthrough of how to use it. This was just the install. Hopefully that answers any questions.